Replaced hydraulic oil and filter on my Yahoo kees ZKW52233, jacked it up and at low RPM engaged the drive. Wheels moved but the right side sounded funny. Stop procedure. Then tried again. Now no rotation of wheels. Apparently I have air in the lines. Where can you bleed the system from? Not sure which line to crack or just let it set overnight as the manual states, although I think that won't help at all. Thanks, Kevin.
Hey there, I'm Richard G. Let me help you. This is a zero-turn mower, correct?
Yes, a ZT Max ZKW52233.
Allow me a few minutes, please, to look over your features.
No problem. I'm having a beer.
LOL. Smile. Let me get you the procedures to get this done.
Great. This is an older model. 2001, a bit different from the latest.
Okay, you have 2 pumps and 2 wheel motors, correct?
Yup.
1. With the unit up to and facing a wall, jack up the unit so that both drive wheels are off the ground. 2. Disengage the parking brake and put the transaxle bypass levers in the neutral position. 3. Start the engine and slowly move the steering levers in forward and reverse 5 or 6 times. 4. Stop the engine and put the transaxle bypass levers in the drive position. 5. Start the engine and slowly move the steering levers in forward and reverse 5 or 6 times, or until the transaxles operate smoothly in forward and reverse at normal speeds without excessive noise. 6. Stop the engine, check the oil level and add oil as needed. 7. Repeat steps 2 to 6 until the transaxles operate smoothly in forward and reverse at normal speeds without excessive noise. That is the procedure to purge the system of air. Make sure you keep the reservoir full. Let me pass you some more info along.
By transaxle bypass levers you mean the bypass valve?
Pump release valves, used to release the system so unit may be moved by hand when not running. Tilt the seat up to gain access to the pumps. Rotate valve towards the front of the unit to release the system using a 5/8 wrench. Note, only rotate about a 1/4 of a turn to release system. Yes.
No levers on this one. Okay, got it. Run it and bypass first to clear the air from the lines?
Yes, and let me give you this as well. Hydraulic filter and oil, change every 500 hours or yearly. Stop engine and remove key. Tilt seat forward and clean around the filter and the fittings under the hydraulic tank. Remove the filter and allow any oil to drain from the filter head. Then replace with new filter. Use only Yazoo/Kees PN 102606 filter which has a bypass valve and the correct micron filter. Loosen hose from fitting under hydraulic tank and allow tank to drain, reinstall hose to fitting. Fill tank with 20 W, 50 motor oil to 1/4 to 1 below neck of tank and replace cap. Block up the rear of unit until wheels will rotate freely and start engine at a slow idle. Move the motion control levers forward and run for several minutes. Stop engine and recheck oil level. If wheels don't respond, an airlock has occurred within the hydraulic system. Bleed air from lines, or let stand overnight to allow the air time to dissipate out of the oil. Retry responses and check the oil level. Note: serious damage to the pumps and wheel motors can occur if the system is ran with an airlock. See the specification sheet for the correct kind of oil. The factory uses Quaker State Deluxe motor oil 20W50. I pulled that out of your manual there. Did I answer all your questions? You got it from here? Smile.
Have that in the manual. No diagrams, nada. Besides that paragraph. I will give it a try on Sunday. Have to fly tomorrow early, thanks for the help. If this does not work, so you have any advice on where to bleed the air from the system?
Reading. This will work.
Okay, cool. Thanks for the help.
Did I answer all your questions today?
Yes, sir.
Smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.